Hi and welcome to another video. So at this video I did to channel 18 Rafif. We're gonna unboxing the power cable because the my laptop power cable is has been peeled that's yep. Okay, so I will change it. So we're gonna unboxing it. Yee. So I uh order 2 days before and now it has been arrived, so very fast actually. Okay, so I will change unboxing first. So there has been open, so wait. Okay, wait, I will pause again. This is with hand open it. Wait, so I will use the scissor. Okay. Okay, wait. Finally open, so I will remove it. Has been opened and removed from the black bubble wrap. I'm gonna open again here. Has been opened, so remove the. Okay, so this is the cable. Open on the top because there's a zip line, zip seal, yeah. Okay, so here this power will change this. Wait. Change this. Okay. So remove the tie. Remove the tie. Okay. So this length is 1.5 meter. So I'll replace this. Okay. Okay. So the cable is plugged and we test the power. The power. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like enjoyed and see you in the next video. Bye.